Hello friends, my name is Bhargav Teja. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon not to miss any updates. In this video, we will learn how to determine a number is an Armstrong number or not. Let us take an example of a sample test case. Input is 153. 153 is a Armstrong number, whereas 263 is not an Armstrong number. How can we say that? Let us take an example of 153. It has 3 digits in it. 1 cube 5 and 5 cube 5 and 3 cube 5 is added, then we will get 153, which is the input. So then we can say that it is an Armstrong number. Now what is the procedure? Take input of a number and declare a string variable s and convert the integer to string. Here you can see that how we can convert a number to string. After that, declare another integer variable. I am using here length, which is equal to s dot length. We will get the length of the string and it is stored in the length variable. Store the n value in another temp variable. Int temp is equal to n. After that, declare an integer variable sum equal to 0. Int sum is equal to 0. After that, we need to iterate a while loop. While temp is greater than 0, sum is equal to sum plus. Here we are using an inbuilt function math.pow, and here we are calculating the temp percentage 10 comma length. Here we are calculating temp percentage 10 comma length, which returns a double value. So I am typecasting to integer variable, and after that I am updating the temp value to 10 by 10, because after 153 we need another single digit number, so I am updating to 15. After that 1. This while loop will be iterated until temp is greater than 0. After that we need to check whether the sum is equal to the input or not. If it is equal, we are going to say it is an Armstrong number, or else we are saying that it is not an Armstrong number. Now here is the total code. Now we will execute it. Now we will recall the whole thing. I have declared a class named Armstrong. After that, type the main method and declare the integer variable. After that, for taking input through keyboard, we need to use scanner class, so imported util package before that, and after that converted the integer to string and founded the length of the string and initialized a variable sum and stored the n value inside the temp variable, because we are going to change the temp variable so it doesn't affect the n value, which is needed for comparison for sum. So that's why we need to use this temp variable and iterated a for loop. For every iteration I am going to change by 10, so we will get the individual digit when we use temp percentage 10. After calculating the whole sum, I am comparing with the value n. If it is equal, I am printing that it is an Armstrong number, or else printing it is not an Armstrong number, and close the main method and class. Now save this file and execute in command prompt. My file is in Java folder, so that's why I'm using cd space Java. If you use documents, you need to type cd space documents. The file in Java folder, which is in desktop, and type the command javac armstrong.java, java space armstrong. The input is 153, so it is an Armstrong number. If I type the 9, It is also an Armstrong number. All single digits are Armstrong number. You can see here there are many Armstrong numbers: 0 to 9, 153, 370, 371, 407 and 1634 are the Armstrong numbers. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and hit bell icon not to miss any updates. All we need is somebody to